Namaskar, welcome to Government e-Marketplace. In this video, we will understand the processing of payment on GeM. Please note, for reference we have selected the user type as central government and payment method will be PFMS. To process a payment through PFMS, buyer needs to draft the bill first. Open www.gem.gov.in and click on Login. Buyer needs to enter the user ID and password and click on Submit. You will now be directed to your home page. Click on Dashboard. To view all the bills to be processed, click on Bills. Select the contract for which the bill needs to be processed and click on Process Bill. In this screen, reference signed document is available for downloading. Scroll down to view seller invoice details and buyer billing details. As shown in the screen, the deliveries have not been made within the original delivery period. So now the buyer has an option to select yes or no to impose liquidated damages. If yes, buyer needs to enter the LD and deduction reason if required. If no, select the same and click on Save Draft Bill. For further processing of payment, DDO needs to log in the account and then click on Bills. In this screen, DDO can view the bills drafted by buyer. Click on Process Bill. After verifying all the details, DDO needs to click on Save Final Bill. In the next screen, click on Verify and Pay. Enter the OTP received on the mobile number of DDO and verify. Now, system indicates that payment has been initiated. Click on Make Payment to push this bill into the PFMS. Post this to check the status of the payment. Click on Get Payment Status. In case payment is successful, bill will be marked as paid. In case bill payment is failed, DDO will have an option to return the bill to the buyer by clicking on Return to Buyer button. In case bill payment is failed, DDO can pay the bill by offline forms as shown in the screen, and post this needs to update the payment status by filling all these details showing in the screen.